how to convert normal video to green screen video in Capcut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a normal video into green screen in just a few simple steps. If you are into video editing, then this is a must watch. First things first, let's import the video into our timeline. Tap on new project, choose the video, tap on add, and then only put the part that you want to remove the background of. I'll split the other half and then delete it. Now tap on the video, and then what you want to go search for remove BG option. Once you find it, tap on auto removal and then go to stroke, and there you'll find straight cut or solid color or offset stroke. You can choose any that you want. I'll choose on solid color, and then what I do is I go back and then tap on the untap the video and then search for background, and there go to color and then choose a green color, and there you go, there's a green screen video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.